everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today an amazing unboxing and review with the help of my friends at Marimer. You guys know I have reviewed them in the past, and Marimer is known for their high-end luxury intimates collection. They have anything from leather to soft materials to sheer to mesh. You guys, everything is covered by them. And today I'm going to be showing you a couple of new items from their collection, as well as reviewing what I'm wearing actually, which is one of their pieces. This is the amazing Sakura bra. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Okay, here we go. A little bit of a different view and atmosphere today because I'm trying to do things a little different, especially when it comes to intimates review. So today, with the help of Marimer, we're going to do a full-on unboxing so that you can experience what you're going to get. Valentine's Day is coming. Special days are honestly year-round, birthdays, anniversaries, you name it. And there's always a good time for you to have a special set, something that's, you just want to wear it. Let's be honest, lingerie these days, you can find cheap things everywhere, but high quality items that fit like a glove, I'm telling you, I have never experienced anything like Marimer. Okay, maybe let's start with what I'm wearing so that it's easy. Okay, so this is the Sakura bra. What I love about Marimer not only is their construction, but their craftsmanship, as well as the high quality materials. This is full-on leather. Look at the fit on the bra, it's incredible. The hardware on these items is so cool. They all have the Marimer logo. It's so well done. The straps are thick and everything is adjustable, okay? And that's what I love. Usually lingerie, you kind of wear it and it is what it is and good luck. Okay, so check out the straps on the back of this bra. So you adjust them on the straps, okay? Multiple adjustments. Those holes, they work like a belt buckle. So very easy to wear and to put on by yourself. And then we have the same feature right here on the bra back, I would say. Two adjustable ways. It is easy to remove, then it's easy to put it on. So really an honestly amazing piece. You can wear it as a bra, you can wear it as I am wearing it, kind of like a gothy clubbing outfit. You can wear something on top of this. Versatility is the name of the game today. So let's go ahead and unbox whatever else I got today. Let's do it. Okay, honesty first though, I have already opened these items because if you get a package from Marimer, you open it right away, okay? So here are my tags, but I want you to experience this with me, okay? Here's the box. It's always really cool. It has a little magnet there, so really nice for storage as well, okay? And then it comes in a really nice Marimer baggie, silky and beautiful. Then we open like this, and I actually have two sets in here, three pieces, but two different sets, okay? We're going to start with the Lilith bodysuit. And you guys, hold on, this is not it. That's not it. This is it. Okay, here we go. Lilith bodysuit. It is so amazing. And I have to tell you, I ordered these two sets because they match. And I love something like that in my closet. So keep that in mind if you're like me. Okay. Lilith bodysuit. The construction is so incredible. I absolutely love it. Okay, it covers the right areas with this sort of like silky but animal printish thing. It has mesh throughout except for in the important areas, okay? But here's what I wanted to show you about Marimer's features, which I think is incredible. Okay, we have straps, okay? The straps are adjustable by means of a bra. But these are so soft, everybody. And they're stretchy, okay? So I actually love that so much. I already put it on. That's why I'm able to actually say these things because I already, was able to test it out. Then these straps, check it out. Sometimes you order a bra and you think it's your size and then it digs on your back. With this, it's so simple. You actually adjust these to make it, closer to your back or not. And you can do that on both sides. And then look at this feature, how you actually put it on. It goes through these loops. So nothing is going anywhere, right? But then it's really easy for you to take it off, voila. So again, I think so well done. Another thing I like about Marimer's items is that they are versatile, okay? So you have this bodysuit, you can wear pants, you can wear this skirt if that's what you want, but check it out. These are garter holders, okay? So you can potentially use it with them. They're already in when you receive the item. However, you can also remove them just as easy as you did the back, right? So it has loops where you can adjust or take care of things that maybe you don't need, but if you want them, they're there. Again, love the mesh with the animal print fabric. Very soft, high quality. The construction is impeccable, and again, of course, very high end. This looks so well on. It's amazing. If you guys are interested, check out my Patreon. Okay, let's move forward to the next set. This is the Lauren set, and it's very similar in terms of the fabric, right? We are talking again, sort of like that snake animal print with the mesh, but now we have bottoms and a top. So let's start with the bottoms. Very simple idea, but they fit like a glove, and the construction is amazing. It doesn't dig, so you have mesh and you have this sort of like silky but stretchy animal print. This is the back, small but not uncomfortable. Love it. And here is the top. This is a bra that's, again, has multiple ways of wearing it. So you tie it to the neck like so. Again, let me show you the adjusting situation here, which is always very easy to do. You can also adjust the straps to the neck. So if you have a big one or a small one, it's perfect. Hardware, always beautiful. Covers the right places, okay? And then it has straps just like you would a regular bra. So if you want to use them, you can. However, if you don't want to use them, okay, let me just show you, see? If you don't want to use them, you remove them. Very simple, see? Just like you did everything else on Mariemur's product. It actually has two ways to put it on. So you can put it closer to your chest or away from it. Two different ways. I'm gonna take it off so that I can showcase the back of the bra a little better. And again, look how fast I do this. It's amazing. Amazing. Okay, and here is the back. Again, just like the bodysuit, super high quality. Check it out. See this? Look at this. This is so good. I mean, double loop, Mariemur logo, beautiful hardware as always. I'm telling you, Mariemur does their stuff so nicely and so high quality. It is really hard to beat. So if you're looking for a special set, you know what to do. Go ahead and check out my friends at Marimer. I have a code in the description of this video to save you some money. And of course, I'm telling you, just look through their website. You're gonna see what I'm saying. Everything fits incredible. You're gonna see plenty of models and plenty of people trying things on. You can also check me out on Instagram or on Patreon, where I actually have done photo shoots and I have tried these things on, and they look amazing. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Please turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to most of my YouTube videos, including exclusive photo shoots and videos that you've never seen before. Also, check me out on my other two channels, Carla's Life and Carla Raids. I will be adding new content again in 2026. I will see you guys soon in another one. Make sure you check out my friends at Mariemur. I'll see you soon.